Hi friends, my name is John and now we are going to discuss about the topic of system components in an operating system. Introduction. What's an operating system? Software that manage hardware resources and provide services to software application and interface between user and hardware. Major components of an operating system: kernel, process management, memory management, file system, device drivers, user interface. Kernel, the core part of the OS responsible for managing system resources. And the function is manages memory, processes, device drivers, and system calls, and provides a stable environment for application. Process management, the OS component responsible for managing processes, and the function is process scheduling and synchronization, process creation, termination, and state management. Memory management, responsible for managing the system memory. Function is allocation and delocation of memory to processes, virtual memory management, paging, and segmentation. File system, a way to store, organize, and access files on a storage device. Manage file creation, deletion, reading, and writing. Maintains directory structures, files, permission, and access control. Now, device drivers. Specialized software that enables communication between the OS and hardware device. The function is allows the OS to interact with the hardware like printers, keyboards, and storage devices. User interface, the interface that allows user to interact with the operating system. And the types of user interface: command line interface and graphical user interface. Command line interface, it is text-based interaction. Graphical user interface, visual-based interaction with the windows, icons, and buttons. Kernel, types of kernel: monolithic kernel, microkernel, hybrid kernel. Monolithic kernel, all system services run in kernel space. Microkernel means only essential services run in kernel space, others run in user space. Hybrid kernel, combination of both monolithic and microkernel. Process scheduling. Process scheduling, the OS decides which process gets CPU time and for how long. The algorithms used in process scheduling are round robin, priority scheduling, shortest job first. Now, virtual memory. Virtual memory, the OS uses disk space to simulate additional RAM. Helps in running large application or multiple programs simultaneously. Paging and segmentation. Paging divides physical memory into fixed size blocks, and segmentation refers to divides memory into segments based on logical divisions. File system hierarchy. File system hierarchy, it means the organization of files and directories in an operating system. The hierarchy structure starting from the root directory. File system management. Functions: file creation, deletion, and modification. File access methods, there are some file action methods and they are sequential, direct, and indexed. Device driver types, types of device drivers. Block devices, character devices. Block devices. Block devices manage devices that transfer data in blocks. Example, hard drives. Character devices refers to manage devices that transfer data character by character. And example, keyboard. User interface evolution. User interface evolution. CLI to GUI. Improved accessibility and user experience. And the modern operating system support both the CLI and the GUI. System calls. System call refers to the mechanism for programs to interact with the operating system. And the examples of system call are process control, file manipulation, and device management. And the OS security, operating system security. Operating system security protects against unauthorized access and attacks. Key features of OS security: user authentication, encryption, and access control. And the conclusion: the OS is made up of several components like kernel, process management, memory management, etc. Examples: early computers used batch processing system, while multi-programming systems allowed multiple programs to run simultaneously. And how it works: an OS enables a user to run programs without having to worry about memory allocation or CPU scheduling. In this security, an OS uses techniques like passwords to prevent unauthorized access to programs and data. Each component plays a crucial role in system stability and performance. There are different types of operating system, including batch, multi-programming, time sharing, multi-user, and real-time systems. And I already said the functions. An operating system manages memory, processes, files, and input-output devices. And a conclusion for an operating system. OS provides the interface between the hardware and user application. This is the conclusion of operating system. And now the core components of operating systems and functions are discussed in this video. And thank you.